Morning, we're going to start by doing a pre-check on our crane. By starting with our pre-check on our crane, we're going to go through the elements and assess. We're going to start by looking at our outrigger, no oil leaks, nice and straight. Drum lines look good. Our lines look good. No bends, cracks, twists, no oil leaks, no boom. Slurring looks fine. Tyres look good, no rocks in between our tyres. No oil leaks coming along. Boom looks good. No bends, no cracks, no twists. Our air tanks look good. These are our controls. No oil leaks. Front tyre looks good. No wear. No uneven wear. No missing bits. No loose nuts and bolts. No oil leaks. Inspecting our hooks. This is our main hook, which says that its working load limit is 25 tonne. Its tear weight's 285. Our hooks works nice and good. This hook's working correctly. Our small hook, single fall. Tear weight's 105. Working load limit is 3 tonne. We've got a 2-block sensor on our main hook and a 2-block sensor on our small hook, which are activated when our hooks touch the rings. As a safety factor, at the front here, no bends, cracks, missing bolts. Boom looks nice and straight. We'll continue on. Mirrors look good. Truck looks fine. Tyre looks good. Boom looks nice and straight. Everything working correctly. These are our controls for our left side. Our riggers look good, no oil leaks. Our oil for our hydraulic, everything's packed up so the oil's full. Obviously, as we open everything up, the oil level will drop. Our cab looks good, all intact. Tyres are good, no oil leaks. No rocks in between our dual wheels. Our drum looks good. Everything looks fine, no oil leaks. Our earth strap is on the ground. Spare tyre looks good. We're now going to build up our air pressure and activate our PTO. We'll come round. Going to start by starting the truck. Our air pressure to build up. Once our air pressure builds up, which it has, we engage our clutch, put it in the fourth, and release our clutch. The rest will pick up. Not yet. PTO. Once engaged, release our clutch. Okay. In here are our amber lights, our warning lights, our rotating beacons. Once they're activated, they'll be flickering on. And now we'll open up our PTO. We're going to set up our outriggers. To do that, we need to line up our timbers in the correct spot. Now push our outriggers out. We're pulling it up, pushing down. We're going to pull full extension out. chain's in, they can't retract back in. Okay. And we need to systemize our timbers. The middle of our outrigger. So we can't get our timbers under this. So we'll raise our back outrigger on ours, put our timbers under it. Up. Close the guts up between our outrigger and our crane on all four legs to get them up the balance. Okay, let's do the other side. Up. Out and lock the pins in. Number 6 to the low, so we're going to raise the back one. Clearance at the front. Back one off. Stop. We need to close that gap. Close the front gap. around and we'll level the crane. I'm going to start by raising the front wheels off the ground. You want to have sufficient clearance. Now I'm going to raise my back wheels off the ground. All back wheels need to be off the ground. Using our pedal level, we're now going to line the crane up. See, we need to lift the other side of the crane to level it. And last of all, we need to lower our front outrigger. As you can see, it's not lined up, so we need to line it up. With that front outrigger, we come down just off the plate, 5mm. We do not sit on the actual plate to allow for movement, that's all. Now we're going to open up our crane. Follow me. Okay, we're now inside our cab. To open up our crane, we need to turn our computer on. Turn our auxiliary oil fan on. There's a two-way switch. You only want it to go one stage, so the green light comes on. And make sure everything's working correctly. In here, we have our computer, our winch drums, so we can watch them both operating clearly. It'll show us our boom angle, our radius, how far anything is away from our actual crane, and how far we push our stick out. We're going to go out to 19 metres. It gives us our safe load limit as we push the stick out at the maximum load. Now, we're going to boom up. Boom up, so I'm now going to drop both my hooks. And as you can see, the green light is working. The green light's activated, and I'll take one to that line. Green light will come on. I'll take my boom up to 60 degrees, 65, 70, which is safe. Working angle, there's no pressure on the pads, and I'll push my stick out to 19. By lightly accelerating, I'm taking pressure off all the hydraulics. I'm at 46 degrees, 47 degrees, 50. 60 degrees, 65 and 70. Now I'm going to push my stick out and my hooks at the same time, allow them to keep up with each other. Hooks start to go too quick, I'll release on the actual hooks. Plenty of rope out, so I'm releasing on the hooks. Allows this to push out quicker. We're at 17 metres, which is enough for this demonstration, and we're ready to operate. Now I'm going to pack it up. Very simple. We're going to reverse what we just did. Slight revs, suck in the stick, and suck in the hooks at the same time. Just monitoring my hooks, making sure they don't touch my 2 block sensor. See the jigs coming in. Suck my hooks up, put off the actual ring. My small hook up, I'll put off the ring, and then I'll bring my boom down, back up. Nice and easy. As I come down, the warning light will go from red, some green to red, which means I'll need to use my override key to bring it all the way down. I'll keep my hook off the ring. Now, this is my safety key to override, only used during pack up. Continue to come down. At this point I'll now stop. Suck both my hooks up. Bring my boom down in line with the guide. Nice and slow. That's all done. Pack up the crane, turn my oil off, turn my computer off, and pack up the crane. That's all for today.